Hi guys, today we will talk about how to download and play Fortnite on Mac. This process is simple and easy, and as you can see, I already opened the Safari browser, and in the search bar, you have to search for Epic Games Store. Once you will search for it on the top, you will see the main application site. Simply click on it to get access of Epic Games. Now this one is the first interface which you will see when you will open the Epic game. Here, take a look on the right top. You can see the icon download. Simply click on it. And now here it's asking to allow download on Epic Games Store. So simply click on allow, and after waiting for a while, the Epic game is downloaded. Now click on it and here what you have to do. You have to drag the Epic game to the application folder. So simply drag it once you will drag. I will go back to my desktop, and here you can see the Epic Games Store. I will click on it. Now it's saying Epic Game Launcher cannot be opened because Apple cannot check the malicious software. So no need to worry about it. Click on the option OK. Simply, you have to open the privacy and security on your Mac. And here you can see I open it. Scroll down all the way until you see the option privacy and security. And here you can see Epic Game Launcher was blocked from using because it is not from an identified developer. So here, you have to click on the option open anyway. Once you will click on it, click on the option open. As you can see, now it's open. Here you have the sign your account. Once you will sign in, you will see the same interface like me. And here you can see Fortnite on the top. If you did not see it, then use the search bar, which is on the top of the screen. Now click on it. And I already downloaded, so that's why it's saying in library. But if you did not download, then you can download it for free and can play it. But before playing it, you have to download the full data of Fortnite, which is almost par for the 43 gigabytes. So once you have finished downloading, open it and play the game.